everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into your Axcet account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Then on the search URL, type in Axcet employee login. Then press enter. Now from this page, click on this first link that says www.axcethr.com. Now to log in, at the top of this interface, there you will get two buttons, Client Contact and Client Login. Click on Client Login. Then you land on this interface. There, as you can see, there are different options. So according to you, select the one that you would like. Here I will go with Instant Axcet Self-Employee Service. From there, click on Employee Login. Then you'll be taken to the Instant Axcet Employee Portal. Now to log in, first of all, enter your correct username. That must be valid, and under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your username or password, click on this Forgot Username or Forgot Password link, and that will help you out to recover your account. Now, if you are done typing in your valid username and correct password, click on this login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account. And that's how you can simply log into Axcet employee account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.